Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Today, I'm excited about this unboxing because we are unboxing the Sacred Creators Oracle, a 67 card deck and guidebook for your creator soul. This is by Chris Ann. She is also the author of the Lightseer Tarot and the Muse Tarot, which I absolutely adore. So I'm excited to get into this. So this is just brand new. It just released. It retails for $24.99, and this one is published by Hay House. I think she had this as a Kickstarter or something as well before this. So correct me if I'm wrong. But the back says, "What's your soul creating? A guide for dream chasers and magic makers seeking serendipity, magic, intuition, and expansive potential in everyday life or in business. Make your big sacred dream a reality with this completely revised and updated Hay House edition of the Sacred Creators Oracle. The messages you receive will guide you to take inspired action in your purpose-filled life as you map your soul's journey or plan your next creative project. The extra journal prompts for each card are a fun, simple way to rethink the challenges you encounter and to inspire magic so your creator spirit will thrive." So I'm really excited. I love the packaging already. It's super fun. And it is just a box like that. It's pretty sturdy. All right, let's see. Oh, there's a little message in here that says, "You are a sacred creator and you can build the life of your dreams. Wishing you so much success and joy on your creator journey, Chris Ann." Aw, and then we have some more info there on her website. Awesome. Okay. So let's just take a quick peek at the guidebook, see if there's any information that we need to know. Usually there's something in here. 67 cards. That's pretty awesome for a little oracle deck here. So we've got a lot of card messages. Wow. Okay. As a creator, you already know that you came here to do something pretty amazing. Oh, okay. Working with these cards. Creator soul, I can't wait for you to build your big sacred dream. As you get comfortable with the cards, you will find more clarity on your path, your goals, and your purpose. And as you launch your gifts into the world, this oracle will become a sage friend. Along the way, expect to deepen your connection with your intuitive self, which is infinitely wise, your subconscious self, which is the driving force of your behavior, and of course, your higher self, which is filled with pure power and potential. All right, this oracle system is meant to help you blend the strategic and intuitive, and the cards are meant as both intuitive messages and affirmations as you build the steps toward which you want. I highly suggest keeping a journal to record your findings and allow for more free-flowing dialogue between you and your higher self. Okay. All right, so we have power cards. Pick your favorite card and your least favorite card. Connect with them. Ask a question. Spreads. Ooh, look at that. We've got some spreads. Wow, a lot of them. And then it goes into the messages. All right. Without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, this looks exactly familiar to me. This looks like the Lightseer Tarot's background. I love it. All right. Let's see. Ooh, nice cardstock. Ooh, there you go. Overthinking can spoil the magic. Yes, it definitely can. All right. So these have a lot of verbiage on it, which is fantastic. I'm loving them so far. What a great deck for a card a day or for journaling. You are epic. I love that. I cannot wait to start using these. I love the watercolor. That's so fun. And if you have an altar and use that, this would be great for you to pull a card a day or find a card that matches the energy you want to work with and use it on that as well. Wow, I love this. Very minimalistic with the art, but I feel like it works. I'm going to go kind of fast because this is a lot of reading, but I just want you guys to get the feel for the cards. I love this too, the balance. Why do I feel personally attacked by this card? Oh. These are great. Oh, I love that. They're numbered. There's no borders. They feel really good in the hand. They're matte too, which I do enjoy. Only because I do a lot of filming with the cards, so it's great to not have that reflective surface. But yeah, they feel really good. Stop, drop, and ground. What a neat card. Oh, love it. Great little affirmations, great little reminders. What a positive deck too. Like you can just feel the positivity coming off of the cards. It's so great. Are some of you guys like, do you guys do like the artistic planners or stuff of that sort, of that nature, like the grid planners or anything like that? These would be great affirmations to pull a card for your day or your week or whatever you want to use and add it to your planner. Add it to your vision board. Take it with you throughout the day just to be reminded of the energy or the affirmation. There's so many ways that you can use this deck that I really like. It's a rooster. Celebrate your wins. I love it. Very cool. And these are a lot of cards too. 67. $24.99 may seem like a lot, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not a high price to pay for the quality of this card stock as well as the number of cards, and you get a pretty thick book to go along with it. So I am not mad at the price at all. Cozy up with risk. I love it. I'm excited to see what card we pull. Oh, these are the creator cards. I saw something about the pulling a creator card. So I feel like there's a lot of different ways that we can use this deck, and I'm really excited about that. I'm going to go ahead and put these aside, and then we'll just play around with this. See how these shuffle. Ooh, yes. Okay. I really like this. The cards feel really good, and that one wanted to pop out, so we'll read that in the guidebook. Yeah, they feel really good. They shuffle really nice. They glide. I do not have a problem with this at all. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at choose who you are becoming. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look. We'll put her there at what it says in the guidebook here. So number 7. I like that they are numbered too, so you can just get right to it. Okay, essential meanings: a choice, the duality of right and wrong, choosing the path toward your future self, taking the reins and leading the way, committing to one path and allowing spirit to deliver your own dream. Or deliver your dream. Wow, I'm adding words. Okay, so self-care message. All right. Not making a choice. Unnecessary delays, playing it safe, and straddling two average paths instead of stepping into one extraordinary trail, the need to over-control your future. The future belongs to who you are becoming, a multi-passionate, multi-talented, creative being of infinite potential. Choosing who you want to be can feel overwhelming. If you've reached a fork in the road, it's time to make a choice that will allow you to grow into the most beautiful version of you. This card is about the movement you make as you chase your dreams and the person you become along the way. Here's a juicy secret. The two are I can never say this word, intrinsically linked. You may feel blocked until you take inspired action toward one goal. It's time to move forward, sacred creator. Your decisive and determined action will be a way for you to define your desire to the universe. Run in the direction of your dreams and can confidently guide the unfolding of your path. Know that by not deciding, you are making a choice to remain in the same spot. Yup. And if there is one universal truth of creating things, it is that the inaction is the exact opposite of what you are building. Make strides toward your dreams now. So then we have some journal prompts here as well. So I'll just read one. What lessons did you need to experience in order to stand exactly where you are standing? Wow. You guys, I really like this. So let me just take a look real fast. There are some information messages for the creator. So creator water, fire, air, and earth. That's exciting. I feel like those will be very useful too. Sorry, I just had some reading. Okay, so all in all, my opinion of this is that this is exciting. This is something I am going to be using the craziness out of. I am so excited about it. I really do like the concept. I feel like this is a great beginner friendly for any type of divination you want to do, as well as for those of you who are tiptoeing into divination and not really knowing where to start. This is a very gentle and positive and very straightforward deck for you to work with. I feel like this is great for like a gift for your friends who don't know where to start. This is a great just overall deck to have for any type of purpose of divination you want to do. You can use this for journaling. You can use this to help get you on the right track for your creative endeavors. You can use this for every day. I mean, the possibilities with this deck is endless. It's super beautiful. It's minimalistic. There's not a lot going on that you have to really think about. You can just use your intuition, which I find incredibly beneficial. You know, you can just use your intuition. The size is great. The quality of the card stock is great. I mean, what more could I ask for in this deck? This is awesome. I'm excited, and I am so curious to know what you guys think about this deck. Were you excited just like I was about it? Is it on your wish list? Are you already getting it in the mail? What do you think about it? Let me know down in the comments section below. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts, your opinions, and make sure you're drinking water, staying safe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video, and that way you'll never miss an upload from me. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.